Update from The Hindu. Supreme Court stays Kerala HC decision annulling KDRB's power of appointment to Guruvayur Devaswam. The Supreme Court of India on Thursday, January 29, 2026, stayed a Kerala High Court decision striking down provisions which empowered the Kerala Devaswam Recruitment Board (KDRB) to appoint candidates to various posts in the Guruvayur Devaswam and aided educational institutions. Read, HC annuls K. Update from The Hindu. India submits nomination of Meghalaya's living root bridges for UNESCO World Heritage Site. India has submitted to UNESCO in Paris the nomination dossier of Meghalaya's living root bridges for consideration to include in the World Heritage List 2026-27. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said on Thursday, January 29, 2026, the dossier was handed over by India's Ambassador Vishal V. Sharma T. Update from Mint. Economy. Economic Survey 2026. India's economy seen growing around 7% in FY27. Inflation largely stable. 10 key takeaways. Economic Survey 2026. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman tabled the economic survey in Parliament on Thursday, January 29. According to the survey, strong macro fundamentals and regulatory reforms may help the Indian economy expand at 6.8 to 7.2% in the next financial year, FY27. Economic Survey. Update from Mint. Economy. ITC Q3 Results 2026 Live. ITC share price near 52-week low. Muted earnings likely. All eyes on dividend. ITC Q3 Results 2026 Live. FMCG major ITC Limited is set to announce its December quarter results for the ongoing fiscal year. On Thursday, January 29, the company in a BSE filing earlier this month said that its board will meet on January 29 to consider and approve the unaudited standalone and con. Update from Indian Express. After K-Rail fails to take off, Kerala looks to connect its north and south with a new high-speed transport system. A communication from the Chief Minister's office said a letter expressing the state's interest in an RRTS would be sent to the union government. Source: X, @Pinarayi Vijayan. The Kerala Cabinet has given in principle approval for a regional rapid transit system RRTS from the state's southernmost D. Update from Indian Express. India-EU trade deal an opportunity for Indian manufacturers to win hearts. Next 25 years phase of solutions, not obstruction. PM Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said Thursday that the India-EU trade deal was an opportunity for Indian manufacturers not just to earn money but also to win hearts and enhance the brands of their companies and the country. Speaking to reporters on the second day of the budget session of Parliament, P.